Hello everyone, I am Asif Ali, and in this course I will teach you Niagara Particle System in Unreal Engine 5. And Niagara Particle System is new tool in Unreal Engine for VFX, and this is also a most powerful tool for VFX in any game engine. And in this course we will start from a very basic emitter modules to the advanced level where you will connect your FX to a blueprint, and we will create all textures and materials and also meshes in tutorial. So let's start this course.